Hello and welcome to this new video in the series of becoming a trading cult funded trader. So it's time now to sign up and open a trading account. So we are here on the home page. Let's click on sign up. Simple page, so let's fill up the information. Let's create a username here. Okay, so we have to make it less than 16 character. We're gonna call it Northern Trading Country. Let's get a free trial for 100k. That's great. Create a password. Let's confirm the password. We can read the terms and conditions here, but you know what we usually do. And that's it. We are here already in the dashboard, amazingly fast, and we already have a trial challenge of 100k. That's amazing. Let's get into our inbox to see what type of email we've received so far. So first email, a welcome email in which we can now join and buy an evaluation challenge or no evaluation challenge. That's really excited. Let's get to see the second email. Welcome to your free trial. So we have the balance here. We have the account number, the password, the trading server. We can already download the platform. Really transparent from Trading Cult. You have immediately the important rules here. We've said it in a video. Arbitrage and latency, will definitely avoid that. Anything exploiting the system, especially the demo servers, forget about it. Hedging, high frequency trading, and tick scalping, all this fast-paced opening closing position in less than 1 minute is prohibited. The one-sided bets, sharing the account, I'm definitely trading that account on my own. All-in-one bets, I hate casinos. Let's not play gambling here. Martingale, it is initially a gambling strategy, a casino strategy, so let's forget about it. And copy trades, reverse copy trading, holding shares during earnings. We will try to pass this challenge in Forex and metals mainly. So let's download the platform. Perfect. So the MT4 for Android and iOS, you can find it directly on your Play Store, on your App Store, but we're gonna download here the MT4 for Windows. Here it is, it's downloaded already. Yes, let's allow it. Next. It is done and downloaded. I can click on finish here. It always open a MQL5 page, but I can close it. And now the platform is opened. So we do have a free trial there, and as you can see there are several servers, so obviously the trial is on demo account, but let's confirm if it's a demo or demo 2 server. Let's go back to our dashboard here. So we have our challenge, we click on dashboard, we have all the information in relation to our profits, numbers of trades, days in started, so we can see here all the progress in terms of profit, max daily loss and total loss. It's really clear and transparent. I can't wait to see the data updating while I will start trading. But as you can see here, I have my login, my password that I can copy, and the server being the demo 2. So let's copy the login here. We choose the demo 2 server, we click on next. We'll use an existing trading account, so our login, we copy the password here, paste it, finish, and here we have our balance of 100,000. I had the platform last put in Spanish, so I'm gonna change it now in English. Language, English. It will ask me to restart the platform. Perfect, and here we are with our trading account, our free trial of 100k. Let's right click here in the market watch. We click on show all. We will choose as an example a euro dollar. Here we drag it there, and now we have our instrument. In the following video we will set up the platform and we're gonna start testing that free trial together. Fingers crossed, let's pass this challenge together. Until then, take care, bye bye.